Mom, Dad, I had a nightmare that Robert was trying to hurt me.
Oh, sweetie, Robert's your twin brother. He would never hurt you.
I also had the bad dreams, Mommy.
Oh, both my poor boys. Daddy's gonna take you back to bed, and I promise I'll have pancakes for you both in the morning.
I don't want to be alone with him. And I don't want to be up in 2 hours to go to work. But sometimes one person wants to focus on their music career, and another person wants to have kids.
Good night, Papa.
Good night, boys.